took a long break from doing my drone stuff like I wanted to because I just started moving into a bunch of other crap.
You can't go from excuses to success. You can't do it.
I'm going back to that because super rainy day out. What better day to sit and study? So I'm gonna go figure all that out so I can get that scheduled here in the near future and actually get my drone license so I can accept some payments for my drone shots because I'm getting pretty good at it at this point. But hopefully the rain lets up so that tomorrow I can go to Ionia and go to the car show out there, get the elco. It's last few miles in before I gotta swap all the oil out and be good to go to do some burnouts and have some fun with that elco finally. But yeah, that's the plan for the next couple days. Fingers crossed that rain doesn't happen tomorrow. Up with the birds today. It's a little after 5. I couldn't sleep for shit, so figured why not get ready for the day before it gets all nasty out. So let's go get ready for the car show.
Later.
Because I look good. I smell good. I feel good.
And you sing good.
And make love good.
Oh.
After a nice little cruise over to Ionia, I pulled in with some badass rides. Got parked down by the Ionia Theater, and it was time to get the drone in the sky and get everybody pulling in. started to get super hot out, so took a little lemonade break and then got right back to checking out the cars. As it started getting closer to 3, the show was winding down a bit and people were leaving. Got my drone in the sky for a final flyover before everybody got out of there. And man, it looked amazing outside. Shout out to everybody that waved at the drone.
Hey! Hey!
Hung out till they did the trophies at the very end, and then it was time to get everybody pulling out of there and hear all those engines. show all wrapped up, I found this mural, had to grab a shot. Shout out to whoever did that. And then took that cruise back home, and the next day ended up at my cousin's open house. Had a great time over there. Remember, cousin, the world is yours, especially after high school. But yeah, that was about it to wrap up the week. Nothing too crazy.
Playing with his balls, he's a ball player.
Throw here. Damn.
Got the weakest throw that time.
Well, to get ready for my birthday weekend, I decided to get the house looking a little bit better and became Paul Bunyan, started cutting down all the tree branches that were dead on my pine trees, and I ended up blowing up my freaking pole saw. I was so close to getting done, only had about 3 branches left on this tree, but luckily my neighbor let me use his manual one, and I cut off a bunch more branches off the rest of the trees. But damn, it was a workout. Got them loaded up in the truck and got them to the pile in the backyard, so I've got some firewood for the next couple weeks. Always putting limon to work. After a good 3 or 4 loads of wood, got them all out of there, had a little bonfire to end out the night, and that pretty much wrapped up my week. Just like that, another week down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos dropping every week. Daily posts on Instagram and TikTok. And drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see done to the El Camino.
Peace.